Assalamualaikum and very good day to Dr. Nurul Izzian binti Mat Daud. We're from class L2, group 11. My name is SYAMHUDI bin HAFIFUDIN, A19, A1138, followed by my group members, which is Muhammad TAUFIQ bin ROSLEY, AINASYASYA binti HALIM, FATIHAH binti MOHAMAD, TENGKU AZZRUL HAQIMIE bin TENGKU AZHARIZAN SHAH, AINI binti MUSTAFA KAMAL, lastly ATIEYRA SHARMILA binti MOHAMAD.
Introduction. Business mathematics is mathematics that is used by commercial enterprise to record daily transaction, forecast demand and supply, as well as other commercial operations known as mathematics as business mathematics. There are many things we have learned from this subject. Among them is expanding knowledge and thinking skill in a quality way in solving problem in a business. As an entrepreneur, must not run away from problem, especially in mathematics problem. It is also help for our company to be successful by providing a solid understanding on how to manage goods and service to make a profit. It teach our company how to juggle discount, markup, overhead, profit, inventory management, payroll, revenue, and all of other complexities of running a business so that our career and finance can flourish. Last but not least, business mathematics is the soul of any business. This is because primarily revolves around the transaction of money or product that have some monetary value.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad TAUFIQ bin ROSLEY and my matric number is A19A0380. First thing first is the company information. Our boutique is a provide tie-dye shirt that is a hand method of producing pattern in textile by tying a portion on the fabric. Each style already made plenty of the way to wear the colorful and the unique pattern. Here is our company details. Our name company is a colorful boutique Sedana Berhad and is located at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where the urban area that many people. Our company was established on 20 January 2020. And the type of the business that we create is a partnership business, which means there are two or more partner and parties operate the business. So our whole team is the partnership in the business. Next, a payroll report. We have 11 employees to run the boutique business, each employee holding a different position and department. Our company have a one employee of the finance and the human resource, and they are the 3 employees of the marketing and operation department have 6 employees. Based on the payroll report on 7 January 2021, the highest hourly rate is 7 ringgit 70 cent and the highest regular hour is the 48 hour. Our overtime rate is 1.5. For overtime hour, there is only marketing department that have overtime hour. Same goes for overtime pay and the commission. The department of the operation earn as much for 450 ringgit for piecework earning. So our total gross pay is 6,219 ringgit and 10 cent. Next, we will go about the calculation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is AINASYASYA binti Halim, nama matric A19A1016. So now I will explain you about calculation. How do I get regular pay? The formula of regular pay is hourly rate multiply with regular hours. So for finance and human resource, the calculation is 7 ringgit and 17 cent multiply with 44 hours and I will got 338 ringgit 80 cent. Why 44 hours? That is because our normal hours for weekly working is 48 hours, but on Saturday we given half working days for employees working in finance and HR also operation. So for the next calculation for operation and marketing is same goes like calculation finance and HR, but the difference is their hourly rate. For calculation of overtime pay, the formula is overtime rate multiply with overtime hour work. So I take one example which is Nur Aini. Nur Aini got 5 ringgit 80 cent for hourly rate and have to multiply with 1.5 which is our overtime rate that our company give to their workers. When I get the answer, I multiply with overtime hour work which is 9 hours. So I got 78 ringgit 30 sen for overtime pay. The next calculation is same goes like first calculation. I will explain you about commission calculation. The formula is total sale multiply with commission rate. So Nur Aini got total sale for online business is 1,920 ringgit and she has received 10% commission. So 1,920 multiply with 0.10, which is their commission, and Aini got 192 ringgit for commission. Fatihah got 1,992 ringgit for total sale online and get 30% commission. After calculate, Fatihah got 199 ringgit 30 sen for commission. Calculation of piece work earning. The formula is piece rate per unit multiply with number of unit produced. So the boutique manager has given the task to AINASYASYA, Amin, AZZRUL and Iqmal and also Amira to complete the order of 1,500 pieces of clothing with which is 650 pieces of short sleeve and 850 pieces of long sleeve for students attending this SPM seminar. This shirt needs to be complete in a short time. Each employee must complete 300 pieces of clothing per person and will receive a commission of 1 ringgit and 50 cent on each shirt they have complete. So, 1 ringgit and 50 ringgit per unit multiply with 300 unit and one person will got 450 ringgit per person. The last calculation is for gross pay calculation. The formula is regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission plus piece work earning. For TAUFIQ and SYAMHUDI, they just got 338 ringgit 80 sen because they don't have any commission. For AINASYASYA, Amin, AZZRUL and Iqmal and also Amira, the calculation is regular pay plus piece work earning. So 321 ringgit 20 sen plus 450 ringgit and they will got 771 ringgit 20 sen. Gross pay for Amira is 321 ringgit 20 sen. Aini and Fatihah, the calculation of gross pay is same, which is regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission. Aini get 548 ringgit 70 sen and Fatihah get 538 ringgit 60 sen. The last one is Atira. The gross pay that she got is 348 ringgit because she don't have a commission.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Atira Sharmila binti Muhammad. My matching number is 19A1090. We move to the question 2. This is the estimate of the amount that our company needs to start up the business. Hence, by using the interest rate of bank given, we find the interest amount and the amount of the time given. Example, to get interest amount loan formulative, we need to multiply with amount Rm 30,000 interest rate 6.5% in 12 months. So we'll get Rm 1,950, same as bank, but for banking, we need to divide 2 on interest because it is compounded semi-annually. To get future value, you need to plus the amount or principal and interest amount, so we'll get a future value. For example, to get future value of loan formulative, you need to plus 30,000, which is loan 1,950, which is interest amount. So here is promissory notes or date of note for the loan formulative based on question 2, table 1. 66 days after date, I promise to pay to order of Muhammad Alif Haikal bin Abdullah. Ringgit measure 30,000 only for a value received with interest of the rate 6.5% per annum until paid.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, my name is Nafata binti Muhammad and my matric number is A19A0516. This is my part for question 3 about machinery. So for the first one is the cost of machinery. Among of the machine that we use for our merchandise is washing machine, where at the cost 3,500 per unit, and a sewing machine at the cost 2,700 per unit. We also buy heat pressure machine at the cost 960 per unit. Other than that, we also buy air conditioner and cashier machine, where the price at 1,576 and 2,000 per unit. Net is a depreciation for 6 years using machine. So the machine that we depreciation is a washing machine. Let's see at the table consists of annual depreciation, accumulated depreciation, and book value. For this depreciation, we using declining value methods. Declining value method is an accelerated method in which a higher depreciation occurs in the early life of the asset. So let's move to our annual depreciation. So let's see at the 6 years in the table, it shows 205 ringgit. After we multiplying with our annual rate, that is 25.47% or 0.2547 by book value. At the 5th years, that is 804.87 cents. So that's mean value at the year 6 only left 205 ringgit. Net is accumulated depreciation. So let's jump to the 6 years in the table for accumulated depreciation, where we get a 2,930 cents. We are using formula, but for simple way, we just add annual depreciation with accumulated depreciation. For example, 2,695.30 cents at the year 5th, we plus with 205. Last but not least, for our book value show at the last 6 years is a 599.187 cents. For this book value, we just minus book value by annual depreciation. For example, our book value at the 5th years is 804.87 minus with annual depreciation by 205. So last question is about a cash discount. Cash discount are a discount applied to bill which are paid within a specific period of time. In question, when our company received an invoice for machinery cost date on 1st July 2020 from a supplier B with a term 3% and an end per 30, so that means of the term is when we paid in a due date before 10th day, we can get a 3% discount. Where is the due date more than a 10th day, our company not get any discount from that. So let's see. If we pay on 9 July 2020, that means we pass to get 3% discount because our due date is before 10th day. That's why we just pay a 9,790 because we get a cash discount at 210. Then if we pay at the 22 July 2020, we not get any discount on that because our due date over than 10th day. Hence, the payment we need to pay to supplier B was 7,000. That's all for my part. Thank you.
My name is SYAMHUDI bin HAFIFUDIN, A19, A1138. I want to present question 4, which is calculate the monthly payment. So our company has take loan in about 50,000 ringgit. So K equal to 7%, equal to 0.07, M equal to 12, T equal to 1, and equal to MT equal to 12 multiplied by 1 equal to 12. So next is I equal to K divided by M equal to 0.07 divided by 12 equal to 0.00583, where the K is the number of compound per year and M is the number of compounding period. A equal to P multiplied by I divided by 1 minus bracket 1 plus I close the bracket power by negative n. So which is our loan 50,000 ringgit multiplied by 0.00583 divided by 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.00583 close the bracket power by negative 12. So we got our monthly payment, which is RM 4,326.25 cents. So the monthly payment for the bank is 4,326 ringgit and 25 cents. So where the amount the annuity payment is A. P is the present value of annuity, N is total number of payments, and I is interest rate per payment period.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is TENGKU AZZRUL HAQIMIE bin TENGKU AZHARIZAN SHAH, and my matrix number is A19A0935. So my part is to conclude question 4B, construct the amortization schedule. Conclude question 4B, construct the amortization schedule. So the formula is to get interest paid, we must take beginning balance current month times with interest. To get interest, we must divide 0.07 divided with 12 and we get 0.00583. So we get RM 291.50 interest paid in period 1. Next, total interest paid. Interest paid current plus with interest paid before. So we get RM 559.48 in period 2. To get principal paid, monthly payment minus with interest paid. So we get RM 4034.75 in period 1. Next, total principal paid, we just plus current principal paid with principal paid before. So we get RM 8093.02 in period 2. Same with total paid. We plus current monthly payment with monthly payment before and we get 8652.50 in period 2. Ending balance, we just take beginning balance minus with principal paid current and we get RM 45965.25 in period 1 and so on until we get negative ending balance negative 0.07 in period 12. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion. This assignment gives our expanding knowledge of mathematics application for personal use and business application. Company can use the calculation of business mathematics to estimate the cost that will be occurred in relation of the manufacture, such as the cost of raw material, machines, rent, or administrative expenses. To complete this assignment, the knowledge learned in this subject of business mathematics is very helpful us to complete it. This is because to solve it, we need to use the formula and solution found in the business mathematics book to complete it. For example, we need to know the cost of manufacture a product to know how much expensive for company and the profit will exist. Business mathematics is an important part of managing business. By use the business mathematics skill, we know that our company will be achieved target to be one of successful in business. Each company must have ambition to improve their performance in business by taking any action such as to record and manage business transaction. So that's all from me.